head heavy, even balance, and head light. Ever wondered what these terms on your badminton racket actually mean? Welcome to chapter 2 of my series Understanding Badminton Rackets 101. See, even two rackets that weigh exactly the same can feel completely different because the weight is placed differently inside the racket. Some have more weight at the top of their head and some have more at the handle. Some are spread evenly, and this is called weight distribution, and the whole concept around this in badminton is called as balance point. So basically how balance point is measured. Balance point is a concept where when you place a finger on your racket and when the racket is completely balanced properly, the length from the bottom of the handle to that particular point is called as the balance point of the racket. So first one is head heavy, which has a balance point of above 302 mm, which is somewhere placed over here. The weight sits at the top of the racket. It's used for heavy smashes and powerful drives and is perfect for singles attackers and backcourt players. Yonex Astrox, Li-Ning's Axforce, and Max Bolt's Gallant are all head-heavy rackets. Second is the even balance. It's spread between 298 to 302 mm. The weight is evenly spread across the whole racket. These rackets usually don't have any weak zones. It's perfect for everything on the court. Perfect for all-round players and doubles specialists. Yonex Arc Saber or Victor's Drivex or Li-Ning's Halbertech are even balanced rackets. And the third one is the headlight. The balance point is usually towards the handle below 298 mm. The weight sits near your hand, so the racket moves through the air very fast. It's perfect for mixed doubles and defensive players. Yonex's Nano Flare, Victor's Aura Speed, and Li-Ning's Aeronaut. And here's the trade-off. Higher balance point, which means more power. Lower balance point, which means more control and defense and speed. No racket usually gives you both, so pick your priority. And if you're still not sure which fits your game, drop your playing style below and I'll personally recommend. Want a full chapter 2? Comment rackets 101 and follow. Follow first and then comment and I'll DM it to you.